This is the Maono DGM20 RGB microphone. This microphone is an affordable microphone aimed towards streamers, gamers, podcasters, and even content creators that want like a bundle that contains everything. You just plug and play and you're ready to go. So in my video, I'll be showing you what comes in the box. I'm gonna also show you the controls and the connections of this microphone. And also I'm gonna talk about its specifications very quickly. And I'll inform you when I'm recording with this microphone by putting it on the screen. So now, for instance, the sound that you're hearing comes directly from this microphone and it is untreated. And I didn't activate the noise cancelling function of this microphone. So let's start by unboxing it. So let's open the box. And now, of course, I'm using another microphone to record this. So I'm using the Maono DGM20. You have your accessories box here. And this is a microphone. So it is already pre-assembled. So you have the shock mount assembled, you have the pop filter, and you have the stand. So it is ready to be used. Let's check what's in the accessories box. You have USB-A to USB-C cable, and it can also be USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is here like an adapter. You have a boom arm adapter, and you have a user manual. So this is everything you get in the box. Let me talk about the build quality of the microphone now. First of all, I wanted to mention that I really appreciated that Maono sends you the microphone pre-assembled. So this saves you time. And this saves you also the headache of putting it together. The microphone is made solely from plastic. So the base is plastic, everything is plastic on the microphone. But this is not a bad thing because the microphone is really well assembled. The base doesn't go up and down. And this is something of a shame in my opinion, because if you put the microphone on your desk, you have to tilt it so that it faces you like this. Or you have maybe to put a book or something underneath the microphone so to raise it. But apart from that, the microphone is really well made. So the cable that comes with the microphone is 5.9 feet. And as I mentioned, this is a very nice touch also in case you want to put the microphone on a boom arm. So now I'm going to connect the microphone to my PC and show you the RGB lights. Before talking about the RGB lights, I wanted to mention that it is a nice touch also that the microphone has a cable management and that the USB-C cable connects to the back of the microphone. And to control the RGB lights, you have this touch button here on the top of the microphone. And it's very good that it is touch, because if you're recording or if you're like broadcasting and the RGB button is not a touch button, it will make a clicking sound. But here it is a touch button. So this is how you change the lighting. One press, it will toggle between the lights. It has 9 lights. And if you want to turn off the lights completely, press and hold. It will turn off the lights. So now I wanted to talk about the controls and the connections of this microphone. Let me start with the connections. So I previously mentioned that this microphone connects to your PC or to your Mac computer with this USB-C cable. On the front of the microphone here, you have also a monitoring jack. So this is to put a 3.5mm headphones, and you have real-time monitoring. So these are the only inputs and outputs of this microphone. Now for the controls, I talked about the RGB lights. So let me turn them on. And you have another button on the top of the microphone. So this button has 2 functions. The first function is to mute the microphone, and the second function is to enable the noise cancelling. And let me show you how it operates. So I'm gonna turn the microphone like this so that you see this LED light on top. If it is green, it means that the microphone is on without noise cancelling. So if you wanna mute the microphone, press this button here, and it's a touch button also. And you'll notice the LED light turned to red, and the microphone now is not recording anymore. So let me enable the microphone once again. And to enable noise cancelling, press and hold this button. The LED light will turn to blue, as you notice. And here it means that the noise cancelling is enabled. So the mute button will work with the noise cancelling enabled or disabled. So if you press slightly on this button, it will go into mute mode. Now on the bottom of the microphone, you have this knob here. And this is the gain knob, and it is very light to operate, and this is really very good. Nothing in this microphone makes noises, so you can adjust everything while you are recording or podcasting, and this is really very good. So now I raised the microphone and I enabled noise cancelling so for you to see how it will sound when you bring the microphone closer to you and when you enable noise cancelling. So now I'm going to tell you what are the specifications of this microphone. This is a condenser cardioid microphone. It means it has a pickup pattern like this. It has a bit depth of 24 bits and a sampling rate of 48 kilohertz. This microphone covers a frequency response range from 50 Hz to 20 kilohertz. And it is compatible with Windows. It is compatible also with Mac OS. And it is compatible with PS4 and PS5. So now what I've done is that I disabled the noise cancelling on this microphone and I'm doing the sound treatment in OBS, so for you to see what is the best sound that you can get from this microphone. So you heard it in all like its states. You heard the introduction with this microphone without the noise cancelling, and you heard also the specifications part of this video with the noise cancelling on the microphone, and now you're hearing this part with noise cancelling off on the microphone and all the treatments in OBS. So now let me tell you what I like and what I don't like in this Maono DGM20 microphone. I'm gonna start with the likes. I like the fact that this microphone is really well built, and also I like the fact that it comes pre-assembled and it has everything you need for you to start your podcast, your stream, or your recording. I also like the RGB lights, and the controls on this microphone are complete and they are touch, and this is really very good. I also like that this microphone has USB-C connection and it has a real-time monitoring also output jack. And I also like that it is affordable. Now let me tell you what I don't like in this microphone, and there are only two things that I don't like. The first one is that the base of this microphone doesn't go up enough so that the microphone will be near your mouth, so you have to raise it with something, and you see here I have put it on its box so that it will be near my mouth so that you can hear me better. The second thing that I don't like about it is the noise cancelling feature. Even though it is a nice touch, but it muffles the sound a little bit and you really have to shout so that your voice comes through. So it's better to disable it and you do your sound treatment in the streaming or in the recording software you're using. By the way, if you want to check out this microphone from Maono, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.